mucii kwa aciari a Joseph Kori, andu a nyumba na arata megucemanitie kuhurukia Mary Wambui Kamangara, uria woragirwo na njira ya unyamu mweri-ini wa mwambiririo mwaka uyu. Muthuri wa Wambui na uria urakuruhanagio na gikuo giki akioneka kuihurwo ni kieha kinene hindi ya igongona riri. Mwaria thutha wa uria ungi makigathiriria Wambui na kumugweta ta murata wa hakuhi, mundu mukeni na urendete andu.
It's very hard to understand when the mom was taken away from us. She was a very strong, God-fearing woman I ever knew, who only depended on God on everything she did. She was a very prayerful woman.
We are so sad that you have left, but thank God that you spent most of your time, most of your life with us. We also thank you for all the teachings and gifts that you always gave us.
Na riria ihinda rikinyire ria Kori kugira uhoro mutumia wake, ndanahota gutamuka ciugo o ciothe. Kori aikitio ngono hamwe na ekuirwo angi eri magikuruhanio na gikuo kia Wambui, no acokire kurekererio ciumia igiri hituku thutha wa maabithaa a borithi kwaga wira uramukuruhania na gikuo giki. Kinyagia riu maabithaa a borithi no mahingirite ekuirwo eri, Aria ni hamwe na ndereba wa ngari iria yahuthikire gukua mwiri wa Wambui Githae na Judi Wangui uria werikanaga gukorwo mari ndugu na Kori. Aya eri matanyitwo gukinywo igoti-ini muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia twerekeire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.